Hello? Is there anyone in there? Hello? Where are my Lear Squad? Hey, Lear Squad, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. And today, this is kind of like a 3-part unboxing because they sent them in 3 different shipments, so it's okay. I'm trying to get like comfortable in my chair. All right, are we good? Are we good to go? All right. Also, I had some questions about my eyebrows. If y'all want to see my eyebrow routine and how I do my eyebrows, just leave this video a like and comment, and I will do that for you guys. I know I've done previous ones in the past, but I've kind of graded and became more, how can I put it, more professional at it. So yeah, as you can tell, like I said by the title, we are going to be unboxing the new, well, for this month's anyways, Boxy Charm box. Now this is heavy AF. Let me just tell you, this thing is heavy. My other one, I have 3 coming in. My other one should be here in 2 days, and then my other one, because I got like all 3 of the subscription things sent to me, is coming hopefully before the end of May. But so yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Miranda. Welcome. And this is Beyond the Beauty, where we are an official YouTube channel. I can't say it enough, guys, because it's so surreal, and I'm just like overwhelmed. Like, I am just so happy, and again, I couldn't have done it without you guys, and that's why doing this giveaway for you guys is so important to me, because with y'all's love and support, I want to be able to get back to you guys. And all of the giveaway details will be in the description below, as well as hitting that subscribe button right there. You see it? Yeah, in the bell next to it, to get notified every time I upload a video. It could be to my Hunting the Unseen paranormal series, my fitness series, my vlog, my Make Me Up, and yeah, I'm just so grateful, so grateful. And then I'm also wanting to do a live stream, so I think this is gonna be really cool. Make sure when you're subscribed and your notifications are on, press all, that way, and then comment when you have, if you still have time to enter the giveaway, comment, Lear Squad strong, and you're entered for the giveaway, as well as following me on my Instagram. But there's always a but, right? yeah, there's a lot to come, guys. And again, without you guys, it wouldn't be possible. So we're going to just jump right in to this bad boy right here. Look at how, like, she may be small, she a little thick, but oh my god, she is heavy AF. I just want to throw that out there. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing and see what goodies BoxyCharm had sent your girl this month. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, loves. So, yeah, this thing is heavy. So I already opened it, and let's take a little peek-see inside. I just love, like, the pink, how they changed the boxes up, like the whole color scheme and everything. That about this box. So let's see what we got up in here. Also, if you there is going to be 2 videos coming out. My hair video, like my daily hair care video, and my natural look video. And I'll probably, you know, throw in how I do my brows, or I could do that like on a separate video, because the brows do take a minute, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm gonna put her to the side right here so we can get the products out. And this is a little card, and then it tells you everything that you have in here and the price and whatnot. So I'm not gonna go off of the card. I'm just gonna, you know, what I grab. Okay. OMG. Okay, I gotta save this for last. I have to save this for last because I completely forgot that when they emailed me, you'll just have to see. But yeah, I got to get something special in my box. So I'm excited. So I'm gonna save her right there. So off the bat, and these are all full-size products, guys. So this is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. This is step 3. How crazy, because I have step 1, step 2, and now I have step 3. Because I have the toner, the moisturizer, and now this one. So this is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. It has a daily dose of pollution and blue light from the electronic devices can. Oh, okay, so it can't talk. It detoxifies and revitalizes your skin overnight from all of like the pollution, the blue light from electronic devices. It can accelerate visible signs. The electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. Wow. I mean, I knew that, but I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralizes pollutants and strengthens skin's barrier while you sleep. So this I'm definitely using tonight, and this is $74. Just saying, it has a price point. That is amazing. Let's see, what else does it say? Like, it's a moisturizer, hydrator. So yeah, use on your face, neck, and chest. Massage evenly over the face, neck, and chest. Wow, $74. This better make some magic happen. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna try it with my other, because I have the toner out here. But my cream is in the restroom. I don't know why. But yeah. So then I got some fun little bubble wrap. I'm just gonna like set her on top of that because she deserves it. Because she's a boss. She's a queen. Okay. So then we have the Mellow and what does it say? Oh, it's a lip gloss. Get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a uniquely smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick with an added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So that's what she looking like. And it says you can follow them on Instagram. So let's just take a little swatchy. Yeah. So that's like the color is supposed to be. And yeah, Boxy already knows my faves. Oh my gosh, I love how chic the packaging is. It's like real velvety, and then like I like the it's, I don't know, like really elegant too. Like I really do like the packaging. Okay, so we gotta bust out the mirror just to see what we looking like. I'm so like, y'all just don't know yet. Y'all just don't know. Okay, so I wonder if this mattifies. It doesn't say. Oh, it's a lip gloss, so of course not. This retails for $18. Okay. I've never seen a lip gloss like this that has like a pigment. Like they could have just called it like I don't know, something other than a lip gloss, you know? But it is really pretty. Like, she pretty. I thought I smelled a scent, but so yeah, it's not sticky. It looks a little orangey. I don't know why on camera. Like my deeper shades. Like this is like a nudie, like mauve shade, like how it looks like in the bottle. And how the bottom looks. But it isn't sticky. I do really love this, and for it to be like a lip gloss, I wouldn't really like kind of say it's a lip gloss, but maybe like a liquid lipstick, because it really has a color payoff, like, and it's really, really pretty. Yeah, like, I don't, like, they could have, like, this could definitely be a liquid lipstick. I froze for a second. I was like, what? Yeah, instead of like a lip gloss. Because when you think of lip gloss, you think of like very sheer, glossy. This isn't sticky. It's not really drying down. But I don't get that lip glossy, like feeling, you know? So, I don't know. But it is really, really pretty. Okay. So next, we have a shadow lip. This liquid eyeshadow, shadow flip. So this is what it looks like. I love the like holographic, and I actually have the moisturizer. I love their moisturizer, guys. It's like the Pretty Filter moisturizer that I use, and I've showed y'all. This retails for $20. $20. It has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. Creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lid, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and eye crease. So let's do a little swatchy swatch. But this is a really good brand. I am obsessed with their Pretty Filter moisturizer. Wow. Look at that packaging. Oh my god. What? Okay, so we gotta do a swatch. We gotta do a swatch. Alright, so let's just do a little swatch. So it's very, where should I swatch it? I'm like, where should I swatch it? Alright, we'll just swatch it. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. Look at that. On my hand, it does not, like, what the heck? So like when I hold it like this, can y'all kind of see like the green? Like, I see green, but then it's like okay, see how it's like a green, and then it like, what? That is dope. Oh my gosh. Okay, see how it's like changing colors? That is cool. I'm definitely gonna have to try this. Like, so it's, yeah, a multi-chromatic shifting liquid shade, and it looks like it has more like blues, so I'm sure if I like stirred the pot, it would give me more than just the two colors, the green and, but oh my God, what? No words for that. So yeah, this is $20, and I think that is the coolest ever. Like, what? Whoa. See how you see the green? That is so dope. Okay. And then now we have, we have another thing. Oh my God, yes. This, where's that? Okay, so this is the My Daily Dose of Uplift, the skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, hyaluronic acid, delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving the smoother, firming, and younger looking skin. Look at the packaging. And it has like little, so it's My Daily Dose of Uplift, Smooth, and Lift. And then you can read like the bottom. So that is pretty cool. And then you can also see like the different benefits that it has. And it has like these little balls in it, like these, they look like little Orbeez. That makes sense. This retails, guys, for $65. Oh my gosh. She is beautiful. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to test her out. I love serums, guys, and anything that makes me look younger, I'm down for. So we will definitely use that in a makeup. It has zero paraben and scent. It has hydrating with hyaluronic acid, 3 drops daily before applying moisturizer. Conquer signs of aging with collagen. Energize skin with, I can't pronounce this, but it's like, oh, coenzyme. Wow. Q10. It's an antioxidant found naturally in your body that helps improve the appearance of wrinkles. And yeah, 3 drops before daily before applying moisturizer. 100% pure ingredients encapsulated to maintain freshness and effectiveness. It has a seaweed capsulate and pure ingredients. So that is dope. What? Like, I'm like obsessed with the package. Like, the whole thing is like, what? And then it's last, but it isn't the last. We have the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $52. Oh, the packaging is so cool. I love the packaging. That is so dope. So let's just take a little look-see inside. See what she's looking like. Okay, are y'all ready? Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is a palette I can see myself using. It does come with a little mirror, but come on guys, look at these colors. There are warm tones, a lot of warm tones, and like a couple of cool tones, maybe like 3, and then you have these amazing shimmers. So this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Like $52. Did I say that right? $52. Yeah, definitely going to be using this. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I'm just like in shock that this palette is beautiful. So are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. I don't think y'all ready. Okay, so what they gave your girl. Are y'all ready? Oh, just take a moment, let it soak in. Just let it soak in. The queen bee herself. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is the Eloise. The Queen palette proposes immense energy of life, femininity. These words, guys, I cannot read today. And strength. Each color tells a story. Each color blend holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our colors are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from past to present, an era of grace and power. So it has 20 pigment. It's a 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures: 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. We gotta look at her. And it is cruelty free. So let's slide her on out. Oh, I'm like She was just sitting on top looking at me like, girl. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so it does come with a mirror, and you guys know how I am obsessed with like the mirrors. But guys, this palette though, this palette, I am blown the away. It is gorgeous. So what I am going to do is let me know, and I will leave a poll in my little community tab if you want me to try this palette, the Cab palette, or the Avanti palette, sorry, by Morphe. But I'm really wanting to try this palette, guys. Like, this is amazing. Like, these neon colors, like I said, my camera is not giving this no justice at all whatsoever. But wow. Oh, and you know I'm gonna have so much fun with the colors, like, and the shimmers. Oh my gosh, I'm like obsessed. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Oh. Okay, guys. So that is what we got for our base box. So mind you, we have 2 more boxes coming in, and I'll do the swatch whenever I play with the palette. So make sure you're subscribed, your notifications are on, and also everything you need to know for the giveaway. The details will be in the description, along with everything from the BoxyCharm, the Ipsy, all that good stuff. And I'm just like in love. I'm in love. This is one of the best boxes I've honestly received in a long ass time. Like, that was one of the, I can't wait for what the other 2 boxes have. So with that being said, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. You see that? And join the leader squad. I love you guys, and I will see you in